Good morning, gang. It's your girl Jacques from Zolodon's Fresh Market. It's good to see you all. I want to come in this morning and check in with an update on our seedlings here in our grow house, y'all. But first, let's go make some coffee. Let's go make some coffee first, y'all. And I'll talk to y'all a little bit before we get in the garden. So we got some white chocolate macadamia nut. We're gonna put it in. And let's get that brewing. So while that's brewing, I'll go ahead and talk to y'all. Yes, today is Sunday, March 29th, y'all. And I know I haven't given an update. Well, I haven't posted an update. I'll say that. I have been going into my little greenhouse weekly, taking updated videos. So I did like a 1 week update, a 2 week update, and today is will be a 3 week update for the garden, y'all. So let's go on in here, get out. I'll back up so y'all can see. I got it unzipped. I do want to get outside in the nearest future. Oh, first, before we check out the seashore, great Dollar Tree finds. The garden is my happy place. So I found that at the garden or at the Dollar Tree a few days ago to hang outside of my garden. And then I got some more seeds, marigold seeds and some cosmos seeds, so that I can have some flowers to bring bees to the garden to pollinate my plants. And then they also have this potting soil, potting mix, also for $5 at the Dollar Tree, y'all. So that's a great find. And if y'all don't know, I'll just dump it on the floor. Hold on. I got more gloves from the Dollar Tree. So this is like a cloth glove I use for picking weeds. And then these are the aerated rubber gloves when I'm digging in the dirt. Get y'all some gloves right now this time of the season, because once they're gone, they're gone. Dollar Tree haven't been keeping the gloves the entire season. So when they're gone, they're gone. So I did grab me a few more pairs of gloves the other day when I was in the Dollar Tree. And the potting soil, I got that so that I can plant the marigold seeds. And then once we start showing y'all the seedlings, I also got these plastic cups, y'all, so that I can transport some seedlings over from their smaller pots, because I got some stuff growing out of control. So y'all can see this here. It's something I planted from the Dollar Tree, but it's in that little pot, y'all. Y'all can see it's growing all the way down out of the pot, and that's the only thing in the pot. So I'm gonna try to get it in one of those cups and get more of the vine in the soil. We got lots of beans here that have stalked up, y'all. I got a lot of bean plants here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bean plants that have popped up. Over here, I don't even know what this is. Something from the Dollar Tree I planted. These are our aroma tomatoes. This might be a aroma tomato as well, because it's kind of looking like this same plant here. So I'm guessing it's aroma tomato in here. And then also we got more aroma tomato plants popped up. It's 2 seedlings in there, 2 in there. We got 2 in there. Nothing has come here yet. Okay, y'all, over here we got some okra. Y'all can see down in there we got an okra sprout. Have sprouted up. We got some Brussels sprouts that are leggy, and I'm gonna transport those leggy Brussels sprouts over there. Got another squash plant, y'all can see, has popped out over there. Here's more Brussels sprouts, it looks like, have popped out. Yeah, let's see. See if I can show y'all. I'm trying to grab it and film, and yeah. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment please, so that I can get monetized. I want to do Zolodon's Fresh Market as a full-time job, y'all. I do not plan to go back to corporate America, so please support my business by subscribing, liking, and commenting on the videos. Y'all can see that's a squash plant has gotten tall. We got a bunch of zucchinis here. What is this? That looks like, it says cucumber. We got a bunch of cucumber plants have sprouted. So our seeds are doing really well. I'm sorry for the sniffles, y'all. It's allergy season. Over here, let's go over to this side. We got a bunch of seedlings that I transported into their own little buckets, so they'll have their own little growing area. Y'all can see they're doing good. We got a lot of green sprouts. They were leggy. They're getting even more leggy, so I gotta continue to try to fix. I'm probably going to take these out of this box and put them in some of the plastic cups I showed y'all at the beginning of the video, so they can have room to grow. Over here we have some more sprouts that I planted. A bunch of these items are just vegetables that too many seeds were growing, so I transported seeds over to these boxes, great boxes that I got from Aldi, to let them keep going. And y'all can see that one right there, super long and leggy. It's to come across several cells. So we're going to get that one transported into a bigger area. Put it in a bigger cup. See, we got lots of sprouts happening here in this box. These are a bunch of seeds again I got from the Dollar Tree and just planted, and we'll see what happens and take them outside soon, because Michigan weather is changing over, so we'll be able to take items outside soon. And I can tell y'all, every one of these cells has something green growing. So if y'all interested in using the Dollar Tree seeds, they do work, gang. I got all the seeds in the green boxes from the Dollar Tree. Down here is more of my first plantings from the first week. Y'all can see we got plenty of carrots sprouting back there in those pots. We got green in all those spots for carrots. Over here we got some Abe Lincoln tomatoes that have popped out. So that's what you see here is Abe Lincoln tomatoes. Over here I see some kale has sprouted right there, and also some Swiss chard has sprouted. Looks like some basil might be coming in. Right here, that's some basil, y'all. What is this? Let's see. We got some jalapeno. That's a jalapeno plant that has popped up there. And then Chris is growing up. And I don't know if this is a Chris plant too right here or not, because it looks just like that. But we'll see what happens, bro. And then right here we got another leggy, super leggy seed. You can see I'm gonna need to do something with that because it's getting tall back there. You can see. So we got a lot happening in the garden. The seeds are doing quite well in the garden. I am super proud of what my garden center has been able to help me to accomplish, along with the grow light as well. Y'all can see the handy dandy grow light. The red, white, and blue each do something different for the plant, like the root, the leaves. Each color light does something different. I don't know specifically offhand what it does, y'all. I'll have to go do a little research and figure that portion out. Hold on one second, y'all. All right, I'm back. It's allergy season, like I say. I don't want to be dripping on the camera, so I'm trying to close this up. Yeah, so that's the update on the garden, y'all. For now, I also bought a trellis that I need to put together. Let's see if I can show y'all. I bought a trellis, gang. So I can put this trellis together for my cucumbers to grow up and my zucchini, all my vining plants. I'm going to put that trellis together and then like sit it in front of the garden house, and then it can just, I guess, trellis around the garden house or trellis over the garden house or something. I'll figure it out. But I bought that to be able to make sure my cucumbers will be able to grow successfully up in the air without me constantly trying to adjust that ready-made trellis that I made, built last year with string and, you know, the bamboo sticks. It did work out quite well. I'm not going to complain because I had a great harvest of cucumbers, but I just wanted to buy something a little more sturdy and less stressful. So hopefully that'll work out for me. But it's your girl Jack from Zola Fresh Market. I just wanted to come on and give y'all an update this morning on what's going on in the garden and talk to y'all a little bit, show my face, because I never really show my face like that on social media and taking selfies. I try to protect my energy as much as possible because I got a lot of people that dislike me, y'all. And not that I care, so what? But I do have a lot of people that dislike me and want to steal my energy and got me on altars and all kind of nonsense, you know what I'm saying? But I flip all them altars over. God flips all them altars for me. No weapon formed against me shall ever prosper. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, that follow button, that share button, so that I can build my subscribers, build my community, and hopefully I can get some subscribers that are not anonymous, because out of 184 subscribers, y'all, I probably can only see 10, which is crazy. So that lets you know how many stalkers I got watching my channel, right? Nobody clicking like, nobody clicking subscribe. Everybody just over here trying to copy and see what they can steal from me, because that's the normal thing. I don't get a lot of support in my life. I've never gotten a lot of support with anything I've done, y'all. What I have is a lot of people that try to come watch and take notes on what I'm doing, and then they go try to do it themselves and steal from me, as if they didn't get that information. It's lint. As if they didn't get that information from me. But guess what? I'm going to start calling y'all out, because I've been the person that's been nice, and I tried to take it as a compliment when people were trying to copy me and do what I was doing. I don't take it as a compliment no more. You are a thief, and I'm going to start calling y'all thieves out. Every time it's presented to me that somebody is stealing from me or stealing the idea, or they didn't want to copy something that I'm doing and don't want to give me credit, I'm going to put you on blast. So just be warned to everybody in the past that's so used to stealing from me and copying my ideas and running with it and making money off of me. We're not doing that no more. Sorry, that's over. It's 2026. New sheriff. And I'm taking back what's mine in 2026. So thank you for watching today. Happy Sunday. Y'all can see I'm having a hot flash. I got on this robe, and it's going to be almost 60 today. Y'all like my Vicky robe? But it's almost 60 today. It's hot. I need to go put on something else so that I can get around and get to moving. I hope y'all enjoy y'all day, and I hope y'all got y'all seeds planted for spring. Because if you don't, get started right now, y'all. What y'all waiting on? Especially if you live in Michigan, you want some vegetables, you got to get started. You got to get started. Get them seeds in the dirt. It's your girl Jack from Zola Fresh Market, and I catch y'all on the next video. Bye. Oh, and I did, like I say, I did post 1 week updates, 2 week updates, and at some point I'll share that video as well in addition to this one. So thanks again, y'all, for watching. Catch me later.